Happy birthday to me. Alrighty guys, this is Union County WX, and today is my birthday. Yeah, you see that right there. Thursday the 5th, February. And I have 3 radios here that I'm going to be unboxing. So they are the Maxx Digital, the Radioshack WR250, and the Midland WR300. And this is a version 5. Only version 5, but let's get started. This is going to stay. But let me get out the radio. I opened this before. I didn't open the radio like fully. Get the radio out of there. Get this thing. Sorry, I don't know where my tripod is. I think it's in the car. I'm gonna go get it after this. But anyways, before we plug in the radio, I'm going to push all the buttons. Get out of here. Like most of us all do. Okay, what the hell am I doing? Alright, so with that out of the way, we're going to be plugging in this radio in 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's brand new, I guess. Hello? Oh. Wait, shit, I forgot to set up the time. Oh no.
Friday night, west wind 5 to 15 knots.
Yeah. Channel 5.
Northwest winds 35 to 45.
Alright, so, let's go set up the time. And it's currently 3 o'clock p.m. Almost 3 o'clock, actually. Just hold on. Alright, so, now it's 3 o'clock, actually. And I just set it to 3 o'clock p.m. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that off. Where's the, oh yeah, right here. Let's go to weekly test to see if that's on. Okay, let's enable that. Lord. Damn it! Alert type. Voice. County. Any. And
to 18 a.m. Friday.
Yeah, so this is it for the, right here I officially unlocked the, the Maxx Digital. I'm gonna, set up some alerts on here later, like, add new alerts on here, and I'm gonna go grab my tripod, so I'll be right back. Alright, so the next radio we're going to be unboxing will be the Radioshack 12-250. And I've been wanting to get this radio for a while now, so luckily I got it. And I hope it is not a piece of crap. Okay, I hope I don't cut myself by accident, but you don't see this? Yeah, I guess you can. This also better out the adapter with it. Because, bro, I swear. Skibbity young yeah. Okay, so yeah, sorry, this camera is not right in front of me. Oh, look, it actually does have the adapter with it. Let's go. Here's this whole entire adapter. Let's put this bubble wrap on the ground. Oh wait, no! Oh my god, this is the I thought that was the 250. I know. I thought this was the 250. Oh my god. Oops. I wanted to unbox the 250 first, like before the 300. But I guess I can't do that anymore. I'm trying to get this stuff out of here. Oh my god. Hello? How many things of bubble wrap did they surround this thing with? Dude! Oh my god, this is big. Okay, hold on. Where did I put them? Oh, right here. Right here. And it's still sealed. Just wow. Hello? How many things of seal is on this thing? Oh good, that's it. Alright, I'm gonna cut it right here until I get the whole thing unboxed, until I get the thing out of here. I'm not wasting you all's time. Okay, so like a few minutes later, just like a minute or so later, I got the radio out, and I guess it's time that we plug this radio in. Anyways, before we do, gotta do the obvious. Click all buttons. To which is radio. Good luck in service. Anyways, without further ado, 3, 2, 1, here we go. Version 5. Ooh. Okay. Setup time. It is... Wow, get a load of this. It took me 10 minutes to unbox the other radio. It is currently... Hello? 3:11 is about to be 3:12. There we go. Okay, there we go. So update. Oh, hold on. February 5th, 2026. Okay, let's send up the voice.
Winds 5 to 10 knots, becoming northwest in the afternoon.
All counties, defeat siren. Huh? Are y'all seeing that? Are you serious? Oh, that's how you do it. Okay, so I think where my radio came from, this is like from Ohio or something. Alright, suppose that or not, this actually did come from Ohio along with the 250 that we're about to get to. Because I couldn't remember seeing it like that. But I guess that concludes the unboxing of this one. I'll go put it up on the shelf. Alright, and for our last radio, we're going to do the Radioshack 12-250 this time, and this time it's for real. I literally do not... This radio sort of looks small at this point because of how tiny this box is. I mean how small it is. Not as tiny though, but oh fuck. Dude. Okay, so yeah, there we go. It's right there. Cut the lines through there. What is that? Oh, look, I did it the right way. What the hell is that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this radio later. But, we're gonna go to where it's going to be placed. Which might as well just be over here. Fuck. I'm not sure. Actually, yeah. Let's go plug it in. Alright, so before we actually do plug this radio in for real this time, I accidentally did it like almost twice. Because I forgot, you cannot unplug this thing. But anyways, let's go click all the buttons again. If I remember correctly, there are no corroded batteries in here. No, because it's like the same exact thing as the Maxx on and the 258. Also, I'm not sure what else there is. The battery. Oh, damn it. Damn it, there's nothing right there. What? Alright, with that, let's go plug in the radio in 3, 2, 1. Alert on, replace battery. Huh? Oh my, what the hell is going on? Is this a... hold on. Alright, so I actually just thought it out. I got so scared I thought it was dead.
The cold wind chills could cause frost on exposed skin and...
How do we...
outside.
I don't know how we set this up though.
Allowed.
It sounds like that though. I don't know why.
From free. Keep pets indoors.
Hold on, I'm gonna pause it right here and see how you set this thing up. Alright, so I'm back. I figured out how to program it. All you have to do is just click that thing right there. Yeah, oopsie. Severe thunderstorm watch. Active, yes. Severe weather statement, special weather statement. Winter storm, rain, blizzard, high wind, warning, watches, hurricane, coastal flood. Special marine, avalanche, warning, volcano. Unknown and demo.
Fire.
Oh, alright, that might... Okay, so well, you know what.
Windstorm.
That concludes my birthday radio unboxing with this and my 2 other radios, which are up there. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys next time. Peace.